Okay, so I've been out of things for weeks, really, because I was sick and then I hurt my foot. Had to rip my toenail off because it was dead. So then I was out for like days after that because that fucking hurt. Um, so I bought this token at like I had $685. Now it's going up, so it's probably going to pump up around to this mark here. I would say somewhere in this area. It's a good fib zone. And people will probably start selling there anyways when it gets up close to the all-time high. So at that point where I go here, I already have a sell order in here, but I'll just cancel it and I'll put that back in so you can see how much I'll make. So right now my assets are 717. I had 685 in there when I bought. So if I sell at, that's the quantity, I want to go limit order, and we're gonna throw that to a 3-0 quantity all, then that's 1388 US. So I'd over, it's like double my money right there. So then that's the sell order I'm gonna set it at. And I usually don't trade these shit coins, but Bitcoin's gonna go up a bit. This is gonna come up. It'll be easy money, and then sell it, and then I'll probably, then whatever. It's just a little. I'd rather hold this right now because I know it's gonna go up instead of trading because I got shit to do. And Ethereum's popping up here. Here we have a bullish divergence right here. Um, I don't know why that fucking thing's on success there right now. Okay, we're gonna reset this. That looks like meth USDT. That's funny. ETH right there. Meth. We're trading meth. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at this and see where Ethereum's gonna go. So right here, all the stupid fucking things right there. We have this right here. We also have, say right there to there, there's a long going up. We'll lock that one, that, and I don't fucking hit them. And then we're gonna actually go down to a fib retracement tool. And then since we have here to here, oops, um, probably up there, bring it back. Well, we can bring it back down to there. Oops, lock it. So I would say right here, 786. Oops, move that. I hate when it's uneven. Um, conservative. It's a conservative target. These three. It could go up further, but the conservative target would be right here. So, because the weekly is going down, like Ethereum is probably going to go down to 14, 1500, but there will be a pop up here. So that's probably a good target for that. And then this is continuing to go up. So we'll just leave it bump up. See, there's right here, there's a bullish divergence. There's a large engulfing here, plus the MACD's up, the histogram's right here. It's all fucked up because it's a new coin. But you can see here on the 4 hour engulfing, so likely here that'll be an easy target next day or two maybe. Um, and then this is coming up. So, and Bitcoin, which we have right here. I have 4 monitors hooked up, so I got shit all over the place. Um, Bitcoin right here. Here's your target for Bitcoin. And this is a trend line where it's been going. So it's probably going to come bounce off of that and then down. And you can see right here, there's a hidden bullish divergence that's formed. And I fucking moved that, didn't I? There it is. Okay, let's just drag this up slightly, and then we'll go like this. And there's a hidden classic bullish divergence right here. And then there's also this. this is the MACD, and then this is the histogram, so it's two separate things, but it works together to show the market movement, where the money's coming and going, to make easier trades. So since this right here, and then so from here to here, up to the top of this, down to this, there's the MACD. So these are conservative targets. It can go higher, but this is just a conservative estimate of where it's going to go. So you don't get too greedy and you hit like, okay, one of these, or you do, I'm going to sell part here, trail stop, and then sell more here, and then the rest here, or you can just sell it all here, whatever. Some people hold a bit, sell half, and then let it go, and then if it comes down to a certain price, set it, then it sells. So there's a few ways to do this. And then this right here is always your stop loss. Because if you set this and it sells right here and it just keeps tanking, you only lose so much. And if you do that, say you win 9 out of 10 trades, you're never losing money. There's no way. As long as you stick to a good strategy. And this shows you that it is coming up. So it'll come up here and then back down. Because if you look here, we'll go, when you start looking at higher time frames, and you go 1 week. Let's bring this back down. You can see on the 1 week, we have a classic hidden bearish divergence. Well, this is actually full out bearish divergence here. And here's a large engulfing, and it's coming down. So say right around here. And yeah, pretty well right in this zone is order block buy zone, where it'll come hit and bounce a bit, come up, and so that's about our range for where it's likely to go on the weekly. And the 3-day, is going to be like right here at this 0.5 range, somewhere in here. This is where it'll bounce a bit, and then but it's going to keep coming down. You got to check all time frames, but there is easy money to be made. It is risky, but as long as you do things properly, you manage the risk way better. So I'm trying not to trade as much because it takes up all your time, because you got to constantly watch. So you're like a zombie watching the computer day and night. But money will be made today. There we go. So it's moving up. We'll let it come up, make some money, take some money out, and have more money to trade with. Get my gym pass.